Come test drive the 2019 A6. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, ambient lighting, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition,